Ever wondered about the maintenance costs of different types of homes in Ontario? Whether you're considering a detached house, a townhouse, or a condominium, it's important to understand how these costs can vary and influence your long-term financial planning. First up, detached houses. While these standalone structures offer privacy and space, they also bear the brunt of maintenance responsibilities. From lawn care to roof repairs, every cost falls on the homeowner. The age of the property can significantly impact these costs. An older home may have charm, but it could also harbor costly surprises like outdated electrical systems or leaky basements. Moving on to townhouses, they present a mix of responsibilities. Shared exteriors mean lower costs for individual owners, but internal upkeep remains your responsibility. Here, age plays a similar role as in detached houses, with older properties potentially requiring more maintenance. With condominiums, you'll share maintenance costs with other unit owners. These costs typically cover the building's exterior, shared spaces, and amenities. Keep in mind, the more amenities a condo has, the higher the maintenance fee might be. Location and climate also play significant roles. A home in a region with harsh winters may require more maintenance due to weather damage. While energy-efficient homes can have higher upfront costs, they can save you money in the long run on utility bills and maintenance. To navigate these considerations, several resources are at your disposal. The Tarion Warranty Corporation provides warranty protection for new homes. The Canada Mortgage and Housing Corporation offers a comprehensive mortgage and maintenance calculator, and HomeAdvisor can connect you with local professionals for repair and maintenance services. The Ontario Real Estate Association also provides valuable information for home buyers. In summary, home maintenance costs in Ontario can vary greatly depending on the type of home, its age, location, and energy efficiency. It's important to factor in these costs when considering a home purchase. By making use of available resources, you can make an informed decision that suits your budget and lifestyle. Remember, a home is not just a place to live, but an investment in your future. Choose wisely and plan ahead.